In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent bulleted lists in Confluence. Clear, well-structured lists make your pages easier to read, and indentation is the key to showing which points are main ideas and which are supporting details. Here's how to do it smoothly in Confluence. First, open the Confluence page that already contains the bullet list you want to adjust. Make sure you're on the correct page so you can see the list you plan to reorganize. Next, click Edit to enter editing mode. You'll typically find the Edit button near the top right of the page. When the editor loads, you'll see your list become active and the formatting toolbar appear above the content area. Now, highlight the specific bullet you want to indent. You don't need to select every character. Placing your cursor anywhere within that list item works. If you accidentally select more than one line, Confluence will apply the action to all selected bullets, so keep the selection precise. With the bullet selected, click the Increase Indent button in the toolbar. The icon usually looks like an arrow or lines shifting to the right. After you click it, you'll see the bullet move one level to the right and become a sub-bullet of the item above it. If you need a deeper level, click Increase Indent again until the list reflects the hierarchy you want. If you change your mind or push an item too far, use Decrease Indent to move the bullet back to the left. This reverses the change one level at a time, so it's easy to fine-tune the outline without starting over. Take a moment to review the list structure. Scan from top to bottom and confirm that major points are aligned at the same level and that related subpoints sit neatly beneath their parent items. Proper indentation should tell a clear story at a glance, with each level logically nested. When everything looks right, publish the page to save your changes. Click Publish at the top right. This commits the updated indentation so teammates see the improved structure. If you leave without publishing, your adjustments won't be visible to others, and that's it. You opened the page, entered edit mode, indented the right bullets, used decrease indent when needed, reviewed the structure, and published to save. Follow these steps anytime you want cleaner, more readable lists in Confluence.